Sequence star lives. What do most stars look like? We have a main sequence star nearby. Our sun is on the main sequence, classified as a yellow dwarf. Our sun has been a main sequence star for about 5 billion years. As a medium sized star, it will continue to shine for about 5 billion more years. Most stars are on the main sequence. Main sequence stars. For most of our star's life, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium atoms. A star like this is a main sequence star. The hotter a main sequence star is, the brighter it is. A star remains on the main sequence as long as it is fusing hydrogen to form helium. Classifying stars by color. The most common way of classifying main sequence stars is by color. Each class of stars is given a letter, a color, and a range of temperatures. The letters do not match the color names because stars were first grouped as A through O. It wasn't until later that their order was corrected to go by increasing temperature. When you try to remember the order, you can use this phrase, "Oh, be a fine, good kid, man." Class O, as you can see in this chart here, sometimes classified as blue stars, where the temperature is greater than 30,000 Kelvin. Class B stars are usually blue to white. Class A stars are usually white. Class F stars are yellowish white. Class G stars are often yellow. Class K stars are often orange. And last but not least, Class M stars are red stars, either red dwarfs or red giants, right? The surface temperature of most stars is due to their size. Bigger stars produce more energy, so their surface are hotter. But some very small stars are very hot. Some very big stars are cool. Large stars burn through their supply of hydrogen very quickly. These stars, quote, live fast and die young, end quote. A very large star may only be on the main sequence for 10 million years. A very small star could remain on the main sequence for tens to hundreds of billions of years, far longer than the current age of our universe. There are some key things I want you to remember here. Stars spend most of their lives on the main sequence. These stars fuse hydrogen into helium for energy. Large main sequence stars may be hotter than small stars, but this is not always the case. Large stars are not on the main sequence as long as small stars. So remember that large stars burn through their supply of hydrogen quickly, which means that they live fast and die young.